This Quilix flame is a presence and symbol of culture, survival, and resilience, and it sets the tone for the language symposium at College Nordique in Yellowknife. Preserving and promoting Inuktitut has been the life's work of Razi Najalik.
In your language, you try your best, and you ask for help when you don't really know how to say this phrase in your language. Asking is a big, big tool to have. That's how you get better at it.
Her message of humility and persistence reverberates across the roughly 65 attendees meeting in person and virtually for panel discussions on intergenerational connection, transboundary partnerships, language technology, and more. Presenters from Children of the Taku Society in northern BC are sharing their work using a structured research-based system to create highly fluent adult speakers.
And that is where the majority of our efforts have been invested in. Having elderly speakers hold the burden of transferring the knowledge, and not to adults, but to children, who is our other vulnerable sector of our communities.
Trying to advocate for interpreter training, and I don't know where it's at.
These conversations come at a critical time. According to 2024 data from NWT Bureau of Statistics, conversational fluency in the territory's 9 Indigenous languages has declined sharply over the past 20 years. Numbers show a large pool of passive speakers, those who grew up hearing the language but do not converse fluently. And there's a significant generational gap with higher fluency rates for elders and critically low rates for youth. Julia Okanak says before you can teach a language, there must be healing from the intergenerational transfer of trauma.
Why didn't my mom teach me how to sew? Why didn't my dad teach me how to hunt? Are some of these questions that we get in our programs. And we have to offer these programs because the mothers and the fathers couldn't do that for them. And these programs are very vital to our language before we can do the actual language teaching.
Trisha Ogana is doing that healing work alongside her mom, and in the process, she's regaining her language.
There's not very many people in my generation that have that luxury or that opportunity, because a lot of people have been disconnected from our language and our culture. And by my mom keeping connected to her language and her culture, she's able to share that with me.
For the Ogana family, preserving language means sustaining identity. So they end the symposium much like their relatives did at the gatherings past, performing old songs first, then sharing new songs, filled with new teachings and new words. Charlotte Mort Jacobs, APTN National News, Yellowknife.